Storytellers never die. They are everywhere. They are the strangers you just met or the friends you have for a long time. It's the person riding a bike or a group of people inside a car. It could be someone gazing at the stars or someone waiting for the sun to shine. Storytellers are everywhere. They tell stories in different ways. Some through art, some do sing, some dance, while others create content. We all have stories to tell and can bring anywhere we go to share with others. Storytellers could be just beside you, while others are already in a very far place we're not allowed to go to yet. After all, a storyteller dies not when his heart stops beating, but only when the stories he made and shared are forgotten.